I have a serious love affair with this Ras Malai just Leches. Let's make this with Indus Pistachio Rasmalai mix. First thing first, for the cake layer, crack in eggs and slowly add the sugar and whisk until mixture becomes frothy. Next add the cake flour and a salt along with the milk and gently mix until there are no lumps are left behind. Now grab a grease and lined baking dish. Pour in that cake batter, time to bake. Pop it into the preheated oven for about 30 minutes. Once baked, let it cool in a dish for a bit before taking it out on a wire rack. Meanwhile, let's prepare the milk mixture. In a saucepan, pour in a milk and bring it to a gentle boil. Add the packet of Indus Pistachio Rasmalai mix and let it simmer on a very low heat. When there are no lumps left inside, stir in evaporated milk and condensed milk. Give it a good mix and then remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Now it's time to soak our cake. Break the surface of the cake with a fork, then pour that beautiful milk mixture all over, cover it up and let it soak for about 4 to 6 hours. Next, let's finish this masterpiece. Take the cream cheese and smooth it out with a spatula. Then add the double cream and some icing sugar. Beat until soft bakes. The fluffier, the better. Transfer that frosting into a piping bag and let's create some design on top of our soaked cake. Don't forget the finishing touches. Garnish with sliced pistachios and sprinkle some edible dry rose petals for that elegant affair. Slice into this gorgeous cake and serve it up. And trust me, each bite is a delightful blend of flavors and texture that will take you straight to the dessert heaven. Enjoy Ras Malai 3 meal cake and let the compliments roll in.